So let's get this started. If you don't know me, my name is Wetumbusi and welcome back to my channel. So this is very odd because I'm still in my school uniform and I just came back from that brutal walk. And yeah, before I get started, let me quickly just get changed. Now that I'm done with that, it's time to get to the grooming tips and tricks that you can use in your everyday life, and it will really make you look really attractive, or more attractive than what you are now, which if you are a 6, it can take you to a number 8. So without any further ado, let's get started. Number 1 is something that should be essential to you each and every week, and it's clipping your nails. Like, boys, it's time to get used to it. It's time to implement it into your Sunday routines, or that's what, at least what I do. I implement clipping my nails, something that is very much essential, into my Sunday routines. This ensures that the whole week my nails are clean and not filled with dirt. The problem is that we often use our hands with too many things and we touch, especially in this corona times, whereby dirt is filled in there, germs is in there, and you know what, you may find out that corona is in there. So help yourself and just clean your nails, clip them. Pro tip is that before getting in the shower, I would suggest that you actually clip them and file them. Filing your nails will just smoothen it out and just make them look good. So guys, just take care of your nails, please. Number 2 is something that many of us struggle, especially us boys, since our hormones are going crazy. Well, it's sweating, and you know how bad that may seem. So instead of you having to go through all the trouble of finding remedies to fix your sweating problem, do you know what you can just simply do? You can do 2 things. Apply deodorant and an antiperspirant. This will help you with your sweatiness. The deodorant will help you with the smell, and then the antiperspirant will help with the sweating. What it does, it just makes your clothes have less stains, and I mean, you will be ready to make on any girl at any time. Many people forget to do is let it dry. So what I would suggest for you is just let it dry before wearing your shirt or whatever it is that you're gonna wear. But yeah, before wearing your shirt, so just let it dry and it will prevent stains on your shirt. Number 3, I personally found it very difficult to do, and that is taking warm showers. It caused bad skin irritation. My skin was breaking out even more. So do you know what I just did? Just took warm showers. Warm showers is just good for your skin, and it's better than cold showers, and is not extreme like hot showers. So you know, most of us take showers for 20 to 30 minutes, and I feel that is ridiculous. Like, people, how do you take a shower for 20-30 minutes? That means if you take a shower twice a day, which I believe you do, that means you're spending an hour in the shower. An hour just taking a bath. That's far too long. And honestly, it will crack your skin. Your skin doesn't need that much water. Number 4 is something that constantly gets me upset. Oh my word. Why can't you just flip and wash that tongue of yours? You eat with it and you don't even have the audacity to wash it. I mean, like, come on, my guy. Not even the ladies want to smell that. I mean, come on. Like, come on. Just wash your tongue, guys. It's not that difficult. And if you didn't know, that's the main cause for bad breath. So if you want to really get rid of your bad breath, I mean, like, brush your tongue. Number 5 is something that personally helped me with my face and just getting better looking skin. I'm not perfect, guys. I just want you guys to know that I'm not a dermatologist. I'm not giving you any advice that is dermatologically proven, but these are just things that have worked on me and many of other people. So number 5 is just getting a clean cloth, a separate cloth from what you use to bath. Hopefully that's what you use, and what you use to dry yourself out. Towels are a bad no. Don't mix your towels with your face cloth. And the bonus for today is apply sunscreen. I have mentioned this before. If I haven't, well, I'm telling you now. If you're new to the channel, you probably haven't heard this that much, so please subscribe so you can hear this more often. Out of anything else that you can do, you boys, you men can do, is at least apply sunscreen. The sun can be at times, and I don't want it to be on your face. And that's it for me, guys. I hope you really enjoy things, and tell me if you like the change, and leave a like at the bottom, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and comments down below. What did I forget? Because I know I did forget some other things. And I hope to see you in my next video, which is next week Thursday. Yeah, about that. I'm posting every Thursday now, so I hope you live to see the end of this video. Peace.